What's up, fam? Today we're gonna change the key on a Dodge key fob. So first, what you gotta do, you gotta open this key by going like this. Slide this button right here, and then take it out like this. Then you will see this opening right here where the key goes. Got to get a flathead screwdriver, go right in there gently. Open it like that. And you get this, and you pop the old battery right out. Then I've got my Energizer battery right here. So it's a 2032 lithium V3 battery. Okay. Then put it in like this. Make sure you slide it this way. It goes in pretty easy. And close it. Make sure you close it all the way around and close it very well so it doesn't fall out or anything. Just like that. And pop this back in. Just like that. Job done. Easy. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.